Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix ChatGPT unable to upload it. So if you are getting the issue of unable to upload image in ChatGPT, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to upload the image on ChatGPT. So make sure that you have already done it. Secondly, go to ChatGPT and check if your image size is large. So if your image size is from 5 to 20 MB plus, then you won't be able to upload the image on ChatGPT. So if you want to still fix the issue like that, then you just need to screenshot the image and you just need to upload it from here. So after doing all of it, it helps you to fix the error. But if you are still not being able to do it, then you just need to go to VPN. So if you are using VPN, you just need to go to VPN and make sure to turn it off. So if you are just not using and it is not helping you, then you just need to go to App Store or Play Store on your device, and from there you just need to search the ChatGPT app. So click on the ChatGPT app and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, click on the option of update and update the app, and by doing all of it helps you to fix the problem of unable to upload the ChatGPT. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.